Welcome to bWallet's tutorial for our online shopping app. This mini clip will guide you on how to top up your bWallet. Step 1. On the product's homepage, tap on the menu in the top left-hand corner, then select My Payments to view your bWallet balance. To make a top-up, tap on Wallet. Step 2. Tap on Add Money and you'll be able to enter the amount you would like to top up. Key in the amount you wish and then tap Add to continue. Step 3. Tap on the plus sign to add a new card and then key in your card details. Card payments through bWallet are always kept private and secure. When you are done, tap Make Payment to complete your top-up. That's it. Now you can review your bWallet balance by returning to the My Payments menu on the products page. You have now successfully topped up your bWallet. Enjoy your shopping with bWallet.